Hey everybody, it's Racer PS2 and Electronics Repair here. We got our tonight's video, or tomorrow's video, whatever time you look at it. Please like and subscribe because I don't get paid for these videos. I don't have a backer. I don't have anything. Please like and subscribe. I got like 90% of people watching these that are not subscribed. It doesn't cost you a thing. Just hit that subscribe button. And like I said, on with the video. Hey everybody, this one's number 7 of the Repair-a-thon series. This one doesn't read discs either. This one is an scph 75001 with a AU80. No, it looks like AU870417 with that kind of PK code, and it looks like this one's never been opened. So let's get her opened up and let's get the laser changed, and we'll see what she does. We'll be right back. We are in. This one's pretty clean. I like it. Go ahead and do a laser. There's a laser right there, already prepped, ready with the anti-static off, ready to go. I like it a lot. Yeah, don't fling that pretty much. You don't want to lose that screw, guys. Don't lose any of this stuff unless you got a spare drive laying around. And PlayStation 2 land, nobody ever does. Not for these. Slide out the pole. Pull her that way. Flick it up. Kind of give her a good yankety yank. Oh, breaking the cable. This one's being a pain in the butt. There we go. There she goes. She's out. Let's go ahead and swap the components and I'll be right back. Alright folks, we're back. Same PlayStation. I'm not playing games. This is number 7. There's 7 lasers sitting there. This one, the battery's still alive. There it goes. This wouldn't read discs at all either, especially CDs. Yes, the laser was swapped on this one. It's sitting over there with the rest of them. It works. Let's move on. And then dropping the disc. Will it read a CD? Yep, somebody got this down to a science on these. Whoop. So this is number 7 of the Repair-a-thon. Number 8 works, but for prosperity purposes, I'm gonna swap the laser on camera, off camera on it. So number 8 is gonna be the other one. This one has physically nothing wrong with it. This one right here. But for prosperity purposes, I'm going to swap the laser anyways. I will do that off camera. So I just don't like that magically they just start working, and it scares me, so.
Single player. Movie car chases. Car selected.
The last one I haven't tested yet. I don't know what it's doing. We'll probably test that one on camera. I don't know. Trying to keep these things short, so.
3, 2, 1.
It's rumbling, moving on. And scratch my disc. Yes, it did. Oh, that sucks. A PlayStation disc works. This one's good to go.
Absorb the speeding power. Rage Racer.
Next time I go to the game store, I'll get them resurfaced again. Or I'll just make them give me new copies.
Racers, start your engines and let's get it on. Three, two, one, go!
There you have it, folks. Another one fixed. That's 7 bomb lasers. 7 bomb lasers. Like I said, we'll see if number 8 and number 9 see the same fate. Catch you on the next one.